what do we need to see in order for ETH BTC to turn around, Bitcoin dominance to turn back down, and altcoin versus Bitcoin ratio to turn up? Very simple. You need this global liquidity index to be printing in higher highs and higher lows to be starting a new uptrend durably. So we are nearing trendline resistance, albeit that's usually a meme. What we need to see is for it to in some way create a higher low and then a higher high. What I have found to be quite useful for my own tracking is comparing global liquidity to Fed's balance sheet, and you note that each time that the global liquidity index shifts is when the Fed really makes the full pivot between going from QT to QE. So just stopping QT really might not have the full effect until the Fed's balance sheet can actually increase in a meaningful fashion again. So you see, global liquidity did not rise across the entire world until the Fed's balance sheet started to rise very dramatically. And same thing back in 2022, global liquidity basically started its downtrend exactly when the Fed made the pivot from QE to QT. So this time around, I think it's going to match up quite easily until this Fed's balance sheet actually makes a sharp bounce like this. We're not going to have the global liquidity index actually make uptrends. To follow my Bitcoin trades, go to virtualbacon.com for a copy trading tutorial.